friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to start with recall based question medicine FMG 2020 August. So let's get started. Question number first. A 30-year-old patient of valvular heart disease is having fever for last 2 weeks. On physical examination, the following features are noticed in this patient. Which of these will be the abdomen examination finding of this patient? Option A, ascites, B, portal hypertension, C, splenomegaly, D, renal artery bruit. Correct answer here is splenomegaly. Next one. A 70-year-old man collapsed in his house and was rushed to the hospital. On arrival, his ECG tracking was shown below. Which of the following is the best intervention of this patient? Option number A, use automated external defibrillator. B, injection of vasopressin 14 international unit, injection of adrenaline 1 mg intravenous, injection of atropine 0.5 mg intravenous. So on ECG you can see this is the sign of the asystole. So treatment of injection of adrenaline 1 mg intravenously. Correct answer here C. Next one. A 60-year-old woman present with weakness in the right arm for hours duration. The weakness gradually become lesser and resolve. She is known case of hypertension and BMI is elevated. Which of the following is the probable diagnosis of this case? Option number A, transient ischemic attack, B, compressive neuropathy, C, transverse myelitis, D, stroke. Correct answer here A, transient ischemic attack. Next one. A 35-year-old recently divorced male is suffering from palpitation, headache and diaphoretic episode on recurrence based. He has visited the psychiatrist multiple times. What should be the next best step for management in this case? Option number A, he should visit a psychologist instead of psychiatrist. B, check for catecholamine level to rule out pheochromocytoma. C, check for hyperthyroidism. D, increase dose of anti-anxiety medication. So here correct answer is B. Next one. A patient has presented with gross abdominal distension and the following test is being performed. Comment on the finding been elected. So correct answer here A, fluid thrill. Next one. An elderly patient with hypertension fell down in his bathroom. His blood pressure was 220 by 110 on admission. Which of the following statement is correct about this patient? Option number A, start antiplatelet drug. B, platelet are transfused if the platelet count is not low. Reduce to BP to less than 120 and putamen is the most common site. Correct answer here D, putamen is the most common site. Next one. A 70-year-old man has recurrent episode of extraneous syncope and recurrent episode of chest pain and on climbing stair. He was diagnosed as a case of valvular aortic stenosis. Which of the following is the radiological finding on X-ray of this patient? You can see in X-ray. So this is dilated aortic root, widening of aortic node, widening of vascular pedicle or post-stenotic dilation of the aorta. So correct answer here D, post-stenotic dilation of the aorta. Next one. Elderly chronic alcoholic patient has presented to OPD today. The following findings were noted in the patient. What is the best investigation to be done in this patient? So these images are given. So first you can see in the bleeding of the gum. Second one, petechificant. So here option plasma ascorbate level. B, factor 8 assay. C, RBC transcriptase activity. D, thromboenzyme. So here correct answer is A, plasma ascorbate level. Next one. A patient present with complaint of palpitation. On examination, her heart rate is 110 per minute with the respiratory rate of 10 per minute. She tell you that her mother has recently expired due to renal cell cancer. What investigation would you perform to manage this case? Option number A, serum hydroxyindole acetic acid level, serum catecholamine, 24-hour urine mandelic acid for 24 hour or 24-hour fractionated metanephrine level. So here correct answer is D, 24-hour fractionated metanephrine label. Next one, commonest on serological report of this hepatitis B patient. So here correct answer is D, previous infection with hepatitis B. Next one, a 30-year-old female patient presented with pain in joint and hand off with the rash of dorsum of hand and extensive skin induration and skin tightening. Common on the diagnosis, rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, osteoarthritis, scleroderma. So it is scleroderma. Correct answer D. Next one, a 40-year-old patient came to OPD with symptom of excessive sleepiness and lethargy all the time. On physical examination, the clinical feature depicted in the image were seen. Per abdominal examination, so no free fluid in abdomen, liver and spleen are not palpable. He tell of regular alcohol consumption. What is the most probable diagnosis? So here correct answer is alcohol cirrhosis. Next one, a 35-year-old woman presented with complaint, palpitation and weight loss. On examination, sinus tachycardia is present and the following lesion was noticed on the scene of the patient. What is the clinical diagnosis? So these are all symptoms of the tachycardia. So hyperthyroidism. Correct answer here, hyperthyroidism. Next one, on post-operative day 2, routine X-ray of patient was performed. The patient is not complaining of any respiratory distress and is comfortable in hospital bed. On auscultation, bilateral equal air entry is here. What is the next step in management of patient? So in this X-ray you can see the picture. Here correct answer is A. Wait and watch and give supplement oxygen if required. Next one, a 55-year-old man has chest pain. On rest for last 6 hours, ECG was performed on admission and saw finding of myocardial ischemia. His biomarker report was sent to lab for diagnosis workup. Which of the following will be help in diagnosis? So correct option is A, LDH1. Next one, a 50-year-old man present with recurrent episode of chest pain on exertion. He is diagnosed as a case of chronic stable angina. On routine monitoring, BP is found to be consistently elevated. Which of the following is the best drug for management of this patient? So here correct answer is C, ethanol, beta blocker. Next one, a 30-year-old man has presented with complaint of fever for 3 days with shortness of breath. On examination on the right mammary area, bronchial breathing is heard with normal air entry bilaterally. Comment on the diagnosis. So this X-ray was given. So here correct answer is B, right middle of pneumonia. Next one, what is the impression from the following chest X-ray? So its correct answer is B, pacemaker. Next one, prophylactic CNS radiation is given for which of the following cancer? So here correct answer is B, lung cancer. Next one, a elderly patient fell in the bathroom in early morning hours and was rushed to the casualty. On arrival, glass coma scale is 9/50 and urgent NCCT had was performed. Common on the diagnosis. So this is the case of correct answer here B, subdural hemorrhage. A young woman present as so below, which is triggered to avoid cold temperature and emotional stress. Episode usually affect the finger and toe along with numbness and pain in the affected area. There is no underlying illness or comorbidity in the patient. So comment on the diagnosis. So this is correct option here A, primary Raynaud phenomena. Next one, comment on the diagnosis of the flow volume curve shown as. So this is the COPD. Correct answer here COPD. Next one, a 28-year-old pregnant lady present for routine antenatal checkup with which arterial blood gas abnormality is expected to be present in this case. So here correct answer is B, respiratory alkalosis. Next one, rabies virus will use which kind of molecular motor to cause involvement of central nervous system from the site of inoculation into the host. So here correct answer is A, dynein. Next one. A 30-year-old car driver was involved in an accident. He is brought to ER with complaint of breathlessness. On physical examination, vital are PR is pulse rate 1110 per minute, blood pressure 90 by 60 mmHg and temperature of 37 degree. Extensive bruising is noticed on right side on chest and urgent V-side chest X-ray was performed. What is the best management in this case? So here correct answer is C, elective intubation and PPB. Next one. A 60-year-old woman is known case of lung cancer is having shortness of breath. On examination, her neck vein are engorged, showing gross elevation of jugular vein pulsation. Heart sound are distant and breath sound appear reduced on the left side infrascapular area. Reconstruction of forced chest X-ray is done and is shown below. Comment on the diagnosis of the patient. So here option number A, cardiac tamponade, B, congestive heart failure, C, bilateral pleural effusion, and D, SBC syndrome. So here correct answer is A, cardiac tamponade. Next one. A elderly patient with malignancy developed hematuria with dipstick performed on urine sample showing 4+ proteinuria. Which of these possible diagnosis of the patient? So option number A, membranous glomerulonephritis, B, membranous proliferative glomerulonephritis, option number C, focal segmental glomerulosclerosis, D, diffuse glomerulosclerosis. So here correct answer is A, membranoglomerulonephritis. Next one. A 40-year-old man is brought to ER with loss of consciousness following a RTA Glasgow scale 8/15 and MRI had performed. Which of the following is the diagnosis? So here correct in this CT you can see, but correct answer here D, diffuse axonal injury. Next one. In the given tracing you can see in diagram, so below HB interval denote this is the bundle of His. So here correct answer is antegrade conduction from bundle of His to bundle branches. Next one. A 60-year-old patient has right-sided homonymous hemanopia with macular sparing. Localize the neurological site of lesion in the patient. So here correct answer is D, occipital cortex. Next one. A 60-year-old man has presented with chronic projectile vomiting and significant weight loss. Which of the following electrolyte abnormalities is seen in the patient? So option number A, hypokalemia, hypochloremic metabolic alkalosis with hyponatremia. So correct answer here A. Next one. A 35-year-old patient with ulcerative colitis developed ulcer on the anterior compartment of leg. Comment on the diagnosis of patient. So in this correct answer is pyoderma gangrenosum. Next one. A patient is a tourist guide on Mount Everest. After one of the trip, when he came down, there were multiple blisters on his foot and excruciating pain. The foot saw erythematous changes and is tender to touch. Which of the following is not useful for management of this patient? Correct answer here C, warfarin is not useful. Next one. A patient presented with back pain. Left saw a grossly elevated ESR. X-ray skull shows multiple punched out lesion. Which of the following important investigation to be done for this case? So here correct answer is D, serum electrophoresis. Next one. An AIDS positive 30-year-old male patient has developed fever, vomiting and meningismus. Which of the following test will help in rapid diagnosis of cryptococcal meningitis? So here correct answer is B, blood lateral flow assay for cryptococcal antigen. Next one. A 30-year-old man who works in a glass factory present with complaint of progressive shortness of breath on exertion. He is predisposed to development of which of the following? So here option number A, histoplasmosis, B, tuberculosis, C, mesothelioma, D, pleural calcification. So here correct answer is B, tuberculosis. Next one. A 12-year-old girl has developed acute ITP and is managed with steroid. There is recurrence of low platelet count once steroid was stopped. On current physical examination, there is no patch or any physical evidence of bleeding, which is the next line of treatment. So here correct answer is C, wait and watch, and self-resolution will occur in most cases of acute ITP in children. Next one, what is the primary defect in vitamin D resistant rickets? Option number A, defective phosphate absorption from gut, phosphate wasting from proximal renal tubule. Option number C, defective calcium absorption from gut, D, calcium wasting from proximal renal tubule. So here correct answer is B, phosphate wasting from proximal renal tubule. Next one, a 30-year-old alcoholic had last drink 48 hours ago. He developed anger and rage attack and appear unable to identify face of family member and can be any inanimate object. He has been brought to the ER. What is your diagnosis? So here correct answer is A, delirium tremens. 25-year-old male patient is having loose stool 18 times per day and his urine frequency is reduced. What will be the correct finding of this patient? So correct answer here C, hyperosmolar urine. Next one, a 50-year-old lady with hypertension was admitted with breathlessness in supine position and palpitation for last 4 days. On physical examination, her heart rate is 120 per minute with congested neck vein per abdomen. So liver palpable 3 cm below costal margin. The findings show in the image below. So this is, you can see in image, is the pitting edema. So here correct answer is C, pitting pedal edema. Next one, if a 5-year-old boy has presented with multiple episodes of hematemesis, on admission his vital are stable and splenomegaly is noted. The mother tells that at birth the boy had developed jaundice and an exchange transfusion procedure had been performed in the same hospital. So diagnosis is, so here correct answer is C, portal vein. So next one, a 6-year-old child weight 12 kg. The urine output of the child is only 0.5 ml per kg per hour for last 12 hours and serum creatinine has shown a doubling over the waistline. What is the stage of acute kidney infection? Why? KDIGO criteria. Correct answer here is 2. So last one, if a girl is having honey crust lesion on face which was diagnosed by her pediatrician as impetigo, she was now being brought to your hospital with facial puffiness and not eating well. When you work up the patient, which of the following will be the most common finding encountered in this case? So here option number A, RBC in urine, B, nephrotic range proteinuria, C, derangement of liver enzyme, D, focal neurological defect. Correct answer is A, RBC in urine.